This 4-door, 5-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, a trailer hitch, and power seats. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.